Hello and welcome to the Moodle orientation video. This is a short video that I'm putting together so that you can quickly and easily navigate through the Moodle interface in case you've never seen it before. This is our course we'll be working through. It's a couple things to quickly navigate the course. Over here on the left you have the activities. So you have the assignments, the forums, and the journals we'll be using mostly. We have some resources posted also in this fashion. But let's say you were looking for some assignments, you can quickly just navigate to an assignment. You can see the whole entire list of assignments. So that makes it easier to quickly get to assignments instead of going through the whole entire course, which will get pretty large and sometimes cumbersome to navigate through. Your breadcrumbs up here are links to get you back to whatever page you were on before that. You can also use your browser back button if you want to use that. It's all dependent on how you like to do things on your computer. I'm using Firefox. Firefox Internet Explorer work best with Moodle. Sometimes Chrome and Safari will not do certain things. So if you're having problems, that's the first thing I would look at is going to that. Forums is another thing we'll be using frequently. You can see there's two forums we have: the course discussion forum, which will be the one we use most of the time for discussions, and the course announcements and questions forum. If you have any questions about anything in the course you're having problems with, you can post the question there. So not only I can see it and answer it for you, but maybe some of your classmates are having similar problems. It's a good place to post things and check back on if you ever need them. We'll also be using a few of these other things, but those are some quick navigations to get around. Your section links, you can see there's 20 sections here. We're not currently using all those, but if, let's say you wanted to jump to section 6, you can click on 6 and it'll quickly take you to block number 6 or section number 6. That's easy, and that's a nice way to move around because sometimes you can see you have to scroll through all this. Sometimes that gets to be a lot of work and take some time to get through those kind of things. So those are the section links. That's a nice way to navigate also. Another thing we're going to be using is the calendar. The calendar feature is always going to be over here on the right. You can see anything that's a course event will be in this orangish color. I'm assuming it's the same on your end. And then there's global, group, and user groups, user events. If you want to see what's happening on a certain date, you can just put your mouse over top of it and hover and not even click. It'll tell you the Moodle orientation video, January 6th was created then. You can see, you'll be able to see what, the project topic research is one of the assignments that's due on January 30th. So it's a quick, easy way to look at it. If you want to go and click on to see what it is and see more details, you can click on the link that they provide, and then you can go ahead and it'll take you to that. And you can see here, then click here to get details. It'll give you more details on the project. Okay, so you have that. You can add new events anytime you want. So if you want to add a new event, you can click on New Event. And if it's for your own personal stuff, which you can probably only do on your end as a student, it'll be user events, and you'll see them in blue. That's if you want to keep track of anything. You're doing some work on anything in the course, or even if it's a personal thing. Only you'll be able to see the user events if you create a new event underneath that tab. The calendar is a good feature, so I'd keep that in mind when you're looking to see what's due when. And usually it's going to be assignments that are posted. You'll be able to see those there. Down here on the right, you'll see some of the latest news and the upcoming events. These two blocks that have been added on the right. Latest news will be anything whatever's been what's happened lately. So if you see that I posted something, or one of our classmates has posted to a discussion board, or uploaded an assignment, that'll show up here in the latest news. Upcoming events would be something that's due, that's coming up, so you can see here assignments are due. And this little icon here is an assignment icon. You'll see that the project topic research is due on Sunday the 30th. The research paper, the first draft, will be due on Sunday the 6th. So you can see that there. You can also click to the calendar, or you can add your own event through this window. The course tools and downloads I have here, I have a couple places. On the right I have them. Okay, this will take you back to the home page for your Academy. There's a lot of different softwares there, so if you want to download Firefox from there, or you want to download QuickTime, or you want to download any players and those types of things, anything free, you can always find that yourself online, but it's just a little link to get to some of the things. That's also down here. I've posted some things like Firefox and QuickTime in Block 2 under Course Tools and Downloads that you can access easily there as well. A couple other resources that we'll have in the course that you're going to be needing. The Office 2007 tutorials. They have Word, you can see Excel, PowerPoint, and Access. These tutorials, there's different tutorial resources here, and you can watch those videos, and I recommend those highly for the course because sometimes you're not going to know how to do something. I'm not going to be available. You're going to try to get a hold of me. and sometimes at that immediate point in time you might need a tutorial. YouTube's also a great place to find tutorials. So if you're looking at how to do something specifically in any of the applications we're going to use, YouTube always has something. So always keep that in mind. I also have posted the Microsoft Office training manuals. This company here has created training manuals for Microsoft Office products. And they have 2003 products, 2007, 2010. So you can always go there. If you like a text-based, it's all just PDF formats. So you can always use those if you're in need of something. You don't know how to do something within Word, PowerPoint, or Excel. They also have quick reference guides, to quickly and easily access certain features within the applications. Other than that, that's pretty much how the course is navigation. That's how you navigate through the course. You can see the page. Just scrolling down the page, you can see different blocks that we're going to be using throughout the course. Make sure you watch the other videos that I'm going to have posted for this orientation in the orientation block here. I'm going to post them here under block 1. Some more things about course resources, some different information there, some Moodle how-tos, how to do some certain things, and then I'm going to also go through how the course is set up in other videos. Thanks for listening and watching, and I'm looking forward to working with you this semester. Thanks.